du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil, da-da-da. Pas du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil, da-da-da.
Lagonisi Beach on Sithonia is rather outstretched and has a curved shape, because it is located in the lagoon. The water in the bay has a tender turquoise hue, which together with the greenery and light sand on the shore turns this beach into an unusually picturesque place. The entrance to the water is smooth, the depth increases quite gradually, so that the sea is perfectly warmed by the rays of the sun. In some places, when entering the water, you can see that the bottom is a little rocky, but just a few steps further the stones are replaced by soft white sand. Thanks to the nearby island of Diaporos and other smaller islands of this archipelago, there are no strong winds and high waves in Lagonisi. It is just a perfect place to relax with children. Lagonisi consists of the main beach and several small bays, but its main feature is a small rocky island near the shore. A thin sandbar on the right side of the beach leads to it, and behind the sandbar, some small private coves are comfortably hidden. The beach has a semicircular shape, and there is an island that is located at the entrance to the lagoon and is covered with greenery, which complements the photos quite well. Due to these facts, the beach seems to be situated on the shore of an unusually beautiful lake. Even small waves are not a daily event here. Subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram channels and check out the Halkidiki.guide website. You'll find lots of interesting information about Greece and Halkidiki. Check links in the video description.
Pas du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil, da-da-da. Pas du soleil.